Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. Quick CB77 Super Hawk update. We've been making some mad progress on the motorcycle. I'm telling you, first wires have been laid. We got that rear light installed. We got the rear fender installed. We're all the way down. Shocks are installed. All good to go here. All the undercoating got done this weekend, or was it this weekend? Yeah. And things are moving along really, really nicely. Gonna be doing the center stand here in just a second and just kind of rotate around. We got the flat bars installed on this thing too. It's coming together. I'm gonna tackle that front headlight as well. Get that stuff rocking and rolling. Still gotta finish up that gauge. But yeah, this is starting to show the contrast, starting to show the character of what this bike is going to look like. Right now I'm painting some of the final bits. I've got all the little pegs, little connectors here and there, and then I'm really prepping to kind of get done with the the axles and some of these just crispy bits, man. There's just some crispy bits there. Let's go take a look at the parts shelf. It is thinning out really, really quick. Once you get to assembly stage, the shelf empties out pretty darn quick. This thing was packed full of parts. That box was overflowing, and that's really kind of all the loose ends. Everything else kind of just sitting here waiting on the motor. The motor work is going to start here next as soon as I get this thing ready to rock and roll. We already worked through our carburetors. We've got our side covers. And there's that beautiful tank just getting ready to marry with those side covers. I'm excited about it, but I cannot find the freaking hardware. I can't find it. I actually put a little Easter egg here on the tank just for fun. Can't wait, but I cannot find the freaking hardware. But man, this stuff was overflowing here for a while, and not so much anymore. This is all pretty much engine bits, exhaust bits. You know, this all running stuff. All the pretty stuff is moving along pretty smoothly. There's that one, what was that, CB100, just kind of hanging out in my home office. This might be a fun little project in the future, but yeah, not many bags left. All right, quick little update here. Little cloud silver going on these final little bits. Got brackets for the air cleaners, got all the different brackets and pegs for the foot pegs, all of that, the brake stays, and also the horn. So all the little bits. This should be the last bit of painting minus the engine parts that I got to deal with on this one. It's getting there, man. It's getting there. This cloud silver, just got to be patient with it. And there you go. Quick update on the CB77 Super Hawk. This thing's coming along beautiful. Man, I just come down here and look at it sometimes and I'm like, damn, I cannot believe that this is the same bike. And there it is, and it's burgundy goodness. This one's really clean, man. It just needed some TLC. This full restoration was much needed. But yeah, quite a leap from where we began. One piece at a time. That's the mantra. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please be sure to subscribe. If you'd like to join some fellow wrenchers, be sure to check out the Facebook community group, the Keep On Wrenching community group on Facebook. Look how nice that is. And also, if you want a free sticker, head on over to keeponwrenching.com. We'll see you in the next video or live stream.